Get ready to be inspired by a captivating new addition to Washington's vibrant Logan Circle. The dancer sculpture, created by the esteemed Victor Ekpuk, has just been unveiled, and it's a sight to behold. This 10-foot metal masterpiece, strategically placed at the intersection of 14th and R Streets Northwest, is a testament to the power of art and its ability to transform public spaces. Commissioned by the Logan Circle Community Association, LCCA. With the backing of dedicated community partners, the dancer brings a burst of energy and celebration to one of Washington's most dynamic neighborhoods. The bold red sculpture, with its graceful form poised in motion, embodies themes of resilience, unity, and the universal language of dance. Artist Victor Ekpuk, a renowned Nigerian-American whose works grace prestigious collections like the Smithsonian National Museum of African American History and Culture, shares his inspiration. The dancer is my tribute to the human spirit and its capacity for joy and freedom. Dance, an ancient form of storytelling, connects us across cultures and generations. I wanted to capture that essence and create a gathering place that reflects our shared humanity. But here's where it gets controversial. In a world where public spaces are often overlooked or underappreciated, the dancer invites us to pause, reflect, and heal. It challenges us to reconsider the role of art in our daily lives and the impact it can have on our communities. And this is the part most people miss. Ekpuk's work is not just about the sculpture itself. It's a reflection of DC's commitment to celebrating creativity and amplifying diverse voices. By weaving African aesthetic traditions with contemporary storytelling, Ekpuk has solidified DC's reputation as a global cultural hub. So what do you think? Is the dancer a powerful symbol of unity and creativity, or does it fall short of its intended impact? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's spark a conversation about the role of public art in our communities.